In this video, I'm going to show you the trades I did to make $313.10 trading the stock market. Let's get started. All right, so January was actually one of those months where I didn't do a lot of trading, mainly because I was working a lot more in the business. We had quite a few tech hiccups, and so that took a lot of my time. Then after that, just really looking for trades. There weren't that many that were meeting my criteria or that I wanted to get in. Between that and being distracted, I ended up getting in only one trade, and it's actually one that is part of what I'm calling, or not what I'm calling, but a challenge that I'm a part of called the Grow Your Dough Challenge here on YouTube. A few financial YouTubers have gotten together to see how much they can grow their dough this year in 2019. So you can click the link here to learn more about that and to see who all is involved in that challenge and to see how we all do this year. So this trade was part of that because I did this trade in the account that is designated for the Grow Your Dough Challenge. Let's take a look at it. With the Grow Your Dough Challenge, I'm actually using the picks from my cherry pick list. So this is one of the stocks that was on my cherry pick list this month. Stock symbol ANSS. And so really quick on these, when I do my profit reports every month, I'm going to designate the ones that are part of the Grow Your Dough Challenge with the little money bag here. So everyone knows which ones were part of that challenge and which ones weren't, because I will be trading differently since it is in a different account for that. Okay. So for this trade, I did stock symbol ANSS. I bought February 160 call options, 2 contracts at $3.60. I sold them at $5.25 minus commissions, netted me a $313.10 for a 43.5% gain on my money. So let's take a look at how this trade played out. Again, it was one of the cherry picks for my cherry pick program or service. If you want to check that out, I'll link it below. But I alerted my cherry pick members on on January 11th. I'm looking at the 11 and thinking November. I alerted them on January 11th that this stock looked like it was trending up, had potential to go up in price. And on January 17th, I purchased the call options against that stock, set my profit limit and my loss limit on it, and it ended up selling the next day at my profit limit of $5.25. So it was a very quick trade. Cherry pick for 2018, they have 75% success rate, which is really good. So I'm really excited to be doing the Grow Your Dough Challenge on the cherry picks to actually show just how well that they can do and how well I can trade with them. So that's how this trade worked out. Again, it was alerted that the Friday of January 11th, got in that next week and made my profit right away. As you can see, like if any cherry picks members had hung on to this one for a while, it's still headed up. They could have made quite a bit of money. So about 154 is the price that it was alerted at. And then right now it's at 175. So that's a $20 move that this stock has done since the alert, which is flipping amazing. Okay, so definitely if you want to check out cherry picks, like I said, I will link that below so you can check out what that service is all about. All right, so there you have it. I started the Grow Your Dough Challenge with $1,000, and now with my $313.10 profit from January, that brings me to a total of $1,313.10. So we'll see how well I can grow this throughout February. But be sure you check out some of the other people who are participating in the Grow Your Dough Challenge, like David of Military to Millionaire, who's flipping some items on eBay. He goes to garage sales, buys items, and then goes to eBay and he flips those, and he's doing pretty good. has me wanting to go and clean out a few of my closets to see if I can make a little cash as well. Like I've got some shoes that I could definitely clean out and get rid of. And this is also a great way, like if you're looking to make money to put towards trading and investing, the flipping that you'll see David talking about and showing you what he's doing might be a great way to get started with that. Also, check out Joseph Hogue over at Let's Talk Money. Now, don't let the bow tie fool you. Joseph is really crushing it over there with his dividend portfolio. He's even seeing returns so far this year, and we're in the beginning of the year still, right? We're just a month and a half in, but Joseph is seeing returns of over 15% so far in his portfolio. Now I'm really excited about following Joseph on his part of the challenge, because I feel like dividend stocks is an area where I'm not as knowledgeable, and I could definitely learn a thing or two about that. And Joseph is definitely sharing how he's picking these, what he's thinking about, like his whole thought process around those dividend stocks. So I'm really excited about following him to see what I can learn along the way to help me with my long-term investments as well. Be sure to check those guys out. Let me know what you're enjoying about them as well. Definitely leave them some comments and some love too, and let me know how much you think I'll be able to grow my dough to for February, and let's see how well I do. All right, catch you next time. Bye.